Hi, I'm Nancy Best, and I am here at 5545 Cliff Estates on the north side of Belton Lake in Temple, Texas. And this property has so many things I can't wait to show you. It's on 2 acres. It's a home with over 2,600 square feet. It's got a pool, gorgeous decks, and a humongous shop, RV pad, everything you would need outside of the city limits. So let's get started. So I just have to start with the outdoors of this property. First of all, we have this enormous deck, so beautiful, right off the back of the house. It looks over the 2 acres. We've got a small workshop, a larger shop, and a beautiful pool. I love these added sun sails, as well as the built-in grill area and the rocks around the pool. All the pool equipment is built into this cute little house. And our next stop is going to be this little workshop. So this workshop is 16 by 16. It's got a roll-up door and power. So ready for extra storage or a she shed or he shed. Oh. So I wouldn't normally get super excited about a shop, but this shop is pretty amazing. It is 36 by 60 and it's insulated. Power, 2 roll-up doors. I don't particularly have anything to put in here, but if you needed a shop, this is exactly the one you would want to have. .22 by 40 covered RV area with a 200 amp plug-in, so you can have RVs here. We've also got a dedicated drive that is in addition to the front driveway of the house on the side of the property coming directly to this shop. So behind the shop, there's also actually a chicken coop and a garden area. So if you've got chickens or garden habits, there's a place for that as well. Now let's take a quick look at the inside of this beautiful house. First of all, we have got some majestic palm trees out here, so got to take a minute to look at that. So this house has 2,659 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus a formal dining and an office. So I am in love with the way that this house has all of these wonderful windows throughout the living and the kitchen, because it just showcases that amazing backyard area that we saw. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, where's the pantry? Well, I have news. There's actually 2 pantries, because the only thing better than 1 pantry is 2. So we have a nice big walk-in pantry here, and then a full second pantry with plenty of extra storage just off the dining area. Okay, so across from the kitchen, we've got the area where we have bedrooms We've got some extra storage here in the hall, a very large office area, which leads to a really spacious primary. So the primary bath, walk-in shower, dual sinks, jetted tub, more windows, and a nice big walk-in closet. The 2 secondary bedrooms have plenty of closet space and a nice secondary bath with tub shower. Just behind the kitchen, we've got a half bath conveniently located, and it goes straight into a really nice laundry room. We've got access to the outside area, sink, and large garage that is insulated and has a mini split for heating and cooling in case this also becomes your ginormous gym. So this is absolutely a must-see to believe property. If you've seen anything here today that interests you, book an appointment. Let's show you this great property at 5545 Cliff Estates in Temple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.